What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today it is a beautiful, beautiful, bright, sunny day, as you can tell. We are just on the verge of the Easter holiday, and so today we're gonna make a very, very simple but very, very perfect dessert for you to smoke and take to your Easter gathering. You know, I feel like there's always that one person who's like the dessert person, right? Like any family gathering you go, this person is gonna bring the dessert. Well, listen, if you bring this dessert to your next gathering, you're gonna become the dessert person because people are not gonna be able to get enough of it. So what is this dessert we're making? We are making homemade smoked bread pudding. We're gonna make it all in the upper smoking chamber on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart, which you can see right here behind me. So get your sweet tooth ready and let's get started. All right, we start this bread pudding with bread. Now this is kind of thick cut Italian bread. It's about a day old, which is kind of what you want. So you want that, that bread to kind of firm up and not be super, super soft. That way it can absorb some of this deliciousness that we're gonna put on it. Now I'm going to, using my serrated bread knife, going to slice this into kind of cubes, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to get it so that it's in these nice kind of chunks that we can put all in our pan here. So we'll just go down like this. And now as I kind of get these like I want them, I'm gonna go ahead and stick them in a pre-greased 9x13 pan. Like I said, the perfect cube is not necessary. We just want these to be in small pieces. And I'm using 15 slices of bread, which is typically the equivalent of a loaf. When I put them in the pan here, I just want to make sure that I'm keeping them about as evenly distributed as I can. All right, there's our bread, nice in the pan there. And now we set this aside and we make this delicious custard to go over it. All right, to make this delicious custard, we're gonna start with 6 eggs. How about that? Look at that, 6 eggs, no shell. I'm a pro, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and to my 6 eggs goes 1 cup of sugar, just regular granulated sugar, and we're gonna whisk that together just until everything is mixed. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, about a teaspoon or so of cinnamon, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, and 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. Sorry, this is going to be rich and delicious. Would not recommend if you are counting calories. Now we whisk all of this goodness and deliciousness together. Just being careful. You can see how it's starting to change color a little bit as it all comes together. Now in place of those white chocolate chips, you could use pecans or pecans. Pecan? Pecan? Pecan. Pecan. You could use something else of the nut variety if you wanted to, but we're going just purely sweet today. Everything seems to be mixed together quite nicely. So next, back with the bread, and now we just pour this right over this bread. And now I'm wearing gloves today because I wanted to just get in there with my hands, mix all this up, make sure that all of those, you know, chocolate chips get distributed nicely. Oh, this already smells phenomenal. I haven't even really done anything with it yet other than just put the ingredients together, but man, it smells good. All right, I want to just even this out in here. Whoop. All right, that's it. Now let's talk about how we're gonna smoke this. Okay, so I mentioned that we are smoking today on the Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. And the Lockhart has two different cooking chambers, a lower one and an upper one. The upper one is used primarily for smoking. I don't use it all that often because I have just some other tools that I use, but today we're gonna use primarily that upper chamber because I had somebody reach out to me on YouTube in the comment section and ask if I would do a video using this upper chamber, and that is exactly what we're doing. I don't remember your name right now, but I will drop it in the comments, give you a little shout out. Now the way that the heat works on this is that this upper chamber is always about 100 degrees less than the main chamber. So if I want to get this at 325, which is what we're going to be cooking at today, I want this lower chamber to be 425. Now fortunately, the Lockhart goes up to 450, so not a worry there. So with this up to 425, we're going to be sitting nice at 325 in the upper chamber. So I'm going to put this bread pudding into the upper chamber of the Lockhart. We're going to let it smoke for about 40 to 50 minutes. And then we're gonna come back out, take it off, try it. Can't wait for that moment. And today we're smoking using the Pit Boss Fruit Blend pellets. You gotta check these out if you're smoking desserts. They are perfect, really, really light but sweet kind of wood taste. Perfect for any kind of dessert that you're throwing on the smoker. All right, enough talking. Let's get this on the Lockhart. All right. Right there. There it is. And we'll see you in about 40 minutes. All right, about 45 minutes later, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's nice and bubbly around the edges. Oh yeah, this looks really, really good. All right, and here it is. Let me show you something. Look at that jiggle. Ooh, that's what you want. Nice little jiggle in there. All right, let's plate this. Look at this. Look, just look at it. Oh, the smell, whoa. Woo-hoo. God, that smells so good. Right in the middle here. All right, now I realize it doesn't look like much right now. Still absolutely gonna be delicious if you leave it just like this, but let's dress it up just a little bit. And the first way we'll do that is with this beautiful vanilla sauce. Now this is a mixture of sweetened condensed milk, a quarter cup of butter, and vanilla extract. That's it. It's nice and warm, and it smells amazing. So we'll just grab some of that and right over the top. A little more. And for a little added decor, just a couple of mint leaves. And there, you have it. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful. I don't know what's more beautiful, the look or the smell. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, it's time, finally, to try this bread pudding. Can't wait. Let's get some of this here. Here we go, smoked bread pudding, perfect dessert for your Easter gathering. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, there's the chocolate. The cinnamon. That warm, gooey bread. Oh, holy smokes. This, so good. You definitely taste that mild smoke from the fruit blend. It's perfect. This right here is so good. I know I said holy smokes already. I'm gonna give it another one. Holy smokes, say it with me. Holy smokes. This is delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you make this. Please promise me you'll make this. Right now, go in the comments and promise me that you're gonna make this. It's so, so good, and it's so, so easy. Like with all the preparation that we did for this and the cooking process and everything, it took, what, an hour and a half? That's it. So you gotta try it, make it, and bring it to your next holiday gathering, family gathering, or if you just wanna make it, eat it. Well, thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure that you click that subscribe button and click the thumbs up to give us a like. That really does help other people find the channel. Now, this is not the only smoked dessert that I've done here on the channel. You got to check out one of these two other desserts. These are some incredible things, and just a way for you to take your smoking to a new level by trying something a little bit different. So check those out, and I'll see you next time.